Yo, what's up guys? I'm back with a brand new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Honda Radio Code Calculator to generate a valid radio unlock code for Honda car radios and navigation, free and instant. How it works. Enter your VIN or the radio serial number. Press Generate. After loading finishes, your 4-digit unlock code is ready. That's the code you type into the radio to unlock it. Use the code on a vehicle you own. This is a service for generating car radio unlock codes. It lets you unlock Honda radios and nav units with a 100% valid 4-digit code. The first thing you want to do is grab your iOS or Android device. I'm using an Android today. Once you're on your device, make sure you already have the latest Android version installed and fully updated. If you need to check, just go to Settings. Once that's done, the next step is to simply open your browser and follow my instructions. In the search bar, type Radio++ and press Install. After the installation is complete, the mod will be installed on your device. Thanks for watching. See you next time.